To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Today we're just gonna go briefly through what is happening on the market lately. Again, I'm sorry I haven't been providing a lot of content on YouTube, but that's for the reason that I'm so busy in my life that, as you guys know, I always apologize here. But yeah, other than that, I'm trying to bring you up to date with everything that's happening. And today, basically not today, 2 days ago, because on Friday we saw the market go up to its highest values ever than what we saw market being thus far in the high-rated, high-end gold cards, icons, some of the past team of the weekend forms. Now, if you have followed me, if you were subscribed to this channel, you guys know that we have invested in the past team of the week cards. They have gone up really nicely. We have also invested in Champions League live cards, who right now some of them went down. Specifically looking at a card like Live Perisic, we can see that's the reason, because they have lost against Spurs, and if Inter was to win that game, I would have believed that Perisic would have continued going up in value. Now we're going to look specifically at the cards, the Champions League live cards that are not going to proceed into the next round, but will be third, because they will still get upgraded with Europa League man of the matches. I mean, not man of the matches, but if their team proceeds, those cards apparently will also be upgraded based on the Europa League cards, the Europa League live items that are going to be coming out as well. So basically, they shouldn't be dead. They should be going up, but they should be panic sold the moment their team is not qualified. So the next match, I do believe, is going to be after the 11th of December, somewhere like that, the Champions League. I want you guys to look at these cards closely, because I do specifically believe that some of them that won't qualify into the next round, but will be third and can go into Europa League, will basically be panic sold. You can exploit this, buy them, and then sell them further on. Now, many of you have been asking about Futmas. Something that's really worrying for me right now is I haven't seen any cards of Futmas cards in concept for FIFA 19. Like, this happened, I do believe, last year with November cards. We didn't get any November released in FIFA 18, and this year as well, when we don't have cards in concept, there is a very big possibility, in my opinion, that EA is not going to release it, or they're going to play it in some other way for that specific period. However, if you guys are looking to invest for Futmas, last year, December 15th was the time that Futmas was released, and I do believe that this year we can get into the hype moment sort of thing around mid-December. So if you guys are looking to invest in any potential cards that are higher rated, 83 or more, wait for them to drop low. I wouldn't buy 83s for more than 1K, and I wouldn't buy maybe 84s for more than 2.5K, something like that, 3K. So I do believe they can drop back down, and when they drop back down, you guys can invest for the hype. Of course, always sell in the hype, because we don't know what EA is going to do this year again. I do believe specifically before the 15th we can see the market on those cards rising. Now, as you guys know, we also invested in higher rated cards. The higher rated cards that we invested in, for example, David Silva, we invested in that one because he has two potentials. He has the first potential to go up with an icon SBC that we have been waiting for quite a while now to drop. So that's a thing that we're waiting to sell, these higher rated cards. But also the player of the month hype, he is from Man City, and Man City cards, potentially there's going to be a player of the month winner from Man City, and I can see those go up in the hype the most. In this team of the week right now, the team of the week 11, I'm getting a lot of questions when to invest. I do believe that because of the low supply right now, I do think these cards will be good for investing. They will be good to sell on Thursday already. I do think when they go out of packs, that's when they will go up. Now, for the previous team of the week 10, people who are asking to buy specific players, and the players that were released during the team of the week 10, for example, Martial, the best of the team of the week like Mertens, Alexandra, I do believe those have to drop in value. If we look past year's trends, we see that Team of the Week 10 after Black Friday, because of such supply, kept dropping in value. And if any of these cards get a second inform, there's a great potential that, for example, Mertens, because he plays so good, gets another inform sometime this year. Like, that first inform will be destroyed in value, and when he gets destroyed in value, we're gonna jump in, get in at the panic selling, exploit that, buy Mertens card, and because of potentially the lower supply, depends on when the second inform comes out, we're gonna exploit that and sell it in the evening, as we did with many informs this year already, and we'll continue doing. Now, looking forward to the icons market, I do believe getting into Team of the Year, and I have been repeating that. Like, every single high-end valued, high-valued card is best to buy for the Team of the Year period. Now, the baby icons, they are too high in value. A lot of traders have been talking about it, and I do believe there's something that needs to drop them down, but I don't know if EA is going to release a baby icon SBC. I can't know that, because there were some leaks going out last week that they are gonna come out, but that wasn't true. Basically, from my information, the leaks were there, but EA changed it in the last minute to kind of screw up the leakers, the ones who are leaking this sort of stuff over on Twitter and over at the whole community. So basically, the high-end cards like icons, the highest ones like Pogba, Kante, the gold ones that you guys want, I do believe those will be best to buy at the start of January. That's when I'm going in and buy my mega team. It's just 1 month away, guys. So for now, trade, do flips, make more coins, and buy your mega team. Then, in my opinion, if you hold these cards that are right now really high in value, I suggest you to sell. Honestly, the high point of all of these high-end cards could continue into Thursday, but from that point on into next week, because of the Futmas hype period and because of Team of the Year potentially coming out, we can see those cards drop in value. Now, as always, guys, we're gonna do a great method probably on Wednesday. We just need a better Team of the Week released this time out. So I still believe a lot of people hold their Team of the Week packs, the guaranteed ones, and I think they're gonna open a lot of them. And when increased supply comes in, last year for flipping, there was one in my Discord room that made over 1 million coins just with William Inform. I do believe 500 to 600K. I'm gonna be guiding you guys through the voice channel in the Discord on Wednesday. If we get a good Team of the Week, this is really important. If a good Team of the Week gets out, a lot of people will open those Team of the Week packs, try to pack those cards, and that supply will be like crazy. The cards will push down in value, and we're gonna flip them. So if you're looking to subscribe to get into my premium trading group, the link to Patreon is always down in the description. If you have any more questions, guys, drop them down below. I'm always here, eager to help you out with trading and investing either way, if you're a sub or not. But if you're looking to do that, Wednesday is going to be the day. So I really I'm also going to provide another video. The next video should be out on Tuesday, where I'm going to be talking about the flipping method and what you can do on Wednesday. But honestly, just as an announcement, also if you guys looking to read my reviews, I'm doing a thing on ultimatetrader.club. If you guys want to read my news, reviews of specific markets and their trends, if you want to learn more about why something has happened, I think that is a great point on how to start learning about the market. I'm gonna leave the link in the description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.